Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to create a CLI clone with Rust, and we're going to call it docsay. Alright, create a binary project using cargo new binary, say docsay. You don't have to give bin, you can omit it as a default. So here's our docsay. Okay, we're gonna do a cargo run. Okay, now we have hello world. So first thing we're going to do, implement the code to print ASCII art. I'm going to use this Coco mix of Roti and Shepherd. We need to handle argument, command line argument. We're going to use the standard library, new keyboard. So standard argument and one. So basically the standard environment arguments function returns an iterator to the command line argument. So you can call the int function to get the int element. So the first argument that you're looking for is called int one. So to retrieve argument, so the zero argument is the name of the binary itself. So our case docsay, so let we're going to use the let. Let's test this out first. We're gonna do cargo build. Then we're gonna run it. So there are some errors, but let's run it and see why. Do a cargo build. So see, we need an escape keys, and let's move the message. Do a cargo build again. Now it's working. Now let's run the program. Okay, now here's our docsay. Alright, that's it.